What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to do a nice simple queso burger. Got some good stuff. I'm going to throw some chorizo in the ground beef. I'm going to cook the chorizo first. Got some queso I'm going to throw on here. Yeah, let's just dive into it. What do you say? So I just got a real little piece of some pork chorizo right here. Just going to throw that down. All right, cook that thing up. Throw my pan over here. We're gonna cook the queso right there. That's cooking up already. All right, just let this stuff cook up for a few minutes. I want to get it pretty close to being done because I don't want to put it in the burger and the burger not cook all the way through, and you know, you don't want that. So yeah, let's just let this cook up. Let's get going on some queso. So we got 1 jar of the hot salsa here. It's not that hot. And it would be better with some homemade salsa, but I'm not gonna waste it on something like this. Then we're just gonna throw some Velveeta in here. This is half of a brick of Velveeta. Just get that cooking up. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit of mozzarella on here too. There we go. Let that cook up. All right, so the chorizo has been cooking for like 2 minutes maybe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that out of here. And we're gonna put that in with the beef here. Now this is 80-20 ground beef, and I got a Serrano all diced up in there, so we're gonna make a nice patty with that. So you just want to stir this every now and then. Just make sure that cheese is breaking up, and this definitely is. It's getting nice and hot. I'm actually going to turn this burner down so I don't want it to burn. Yep, and then we'll just let that go again. Let it keep heating up. So the queso's getting there. Let's put a little oil down. Get this burger going. My griddle is super hot right now. It's like 500 degrees. So I got these 2 burners on a medium low now. This burner's off, this one's all the way low. So let's just go for it. Got a nice grease from that chorizo. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. All right, let's give it a smash. I'm gonna put a little butter down right over here. Put a little oil with it so it doesn't burn. Alright, I'm going to toast this bread. Now the bread we're using is the type of bread that you would get on a torta. Yeah, it's really, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like a French roll. And bolillo? I don't know how to say it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Nice little soft roll. I cut it in half. Boom. Want to get that butter all over it. Get a nice toast on there. There we go. Queso's looking good. And the burger, we're starting to get a little bit of charring on the outside, so we're just gonna let that go for another minute and give her a flip. All right, so you see the burgers looking nice and good. Man, that chorizo, that is smelling good. Let's get this bread off. I think the bread's probably about done. Don't wanna get under here. A little hot. Oh yeah, we got a nice little toast going on there. Oh yes, nice toast. That is some hot bread. All right, so the queso's looking good. Actually, this is done. Now what I'm gonna do is pull this off so it can kind of start to chill, because it'll make putting it on the burger a lot easier. So I'm just gonna get that off. We're just waiting on that. Looks like this thing's ready to go. Got the griddle cleaned up. Let's build this thing. All right, let's just dive into this, because man, this looks so good. I love it. Oh, look at that. Mm. Mm. Ooh, that chorizo. Mmm. That chorizo came a little late. That's a nice little touch. Mmm. That is delicious. Messy. Very messy. But man, is it good. Holy cow. That bread is so soft, but you can feel the crunch from that underside. Mmm. Nice crunch with those fresh red onion. That chorizo, like I said, that is delicious. Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna get in and eat, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. What would you do with this? You know, let me know what you would change. I've seen a lot of versions of these and just wanted to do my own. So thanks for coming along. We'll see you on the next one.